Hi, I'm Dan. Work in the engineering team at Solana, and we're here tonight in Moscow at a meetup for the blockchain community describing proof of history, which is Solana's core innovation, which enables us to have a trustless source of time usable across the network before consensus. So I'm here describing our proof of history algorithm and our consensus algorithm called Tower BFT that is based on proof of history, and how that enables us, how that enables Solana to be the world's fastest and most performant blockchain with no sharding. Tonight at the event, which was hosted and organized by our validator partners Everstake, we are here at Devocracy in Moscow. We had several dozen people from the community, enthusiasts, developers, and investors show up, had some great questions, gave our presentations in English and Russian, and now we're just going to chat and talk to our community.
So tonight we had an event together with Dan from Solana. So we helped them to organize this event and sort of spread the awareness about the project. So we talked basically about what Everstake is and what Solana is and why we think Solana has potential in the blockchain industry. And we had some great questions. We had some great people that showed up, and we think that's just basically the start for the events and stuff like that for Solana and for Everstake here in Moscow. So we had we had a lot of fun.